Hi squad, welcome superstars. In this series video, let's solve this addition problem. 26 plus 48. The ones place is on the right and the tens place is on the left. We start solving the addition equation by adding the numbers in the ones place. 6 plus 8 equals 14. In the number 14, there are 4 ones, right? 4 in the ones place. The number in the tens place is called the carry. We carry the 1 over to the tens place and write it above the 2 like this. Now we add the numbers in the tens place. 1 plus 2 equals 3. We need to add 4 more, which gives us 7, right? 7 in the tens place. So 26 plus 48 equals 74. And this is our final answer to this problem. Join the fun, like, subscribe and comment to be part of the story.